Well, check it out, people. That's a 1959 Torpedo 18. Specifically one which, quite obviously, is in the luscious black with white keys. Oh, so incredibly beautiful. Torpedoes. They're such amazing typers. Normally I enjoy having a machine that has a touch control on it, and the Torpedoes don't. And at first I was just like, why doesn't this have a touch control? And then I got a few of them, and then I realized that they don't have a touch control because the damn things don't need it, because they have an absolutely amazing feel to them. Very crisp, very clean, quite snappy, right? So I have my carriage release there. This particular one, it's ridiculously clean. Very well kept over the years. Not a darn thing wrong with it. You just gotta love it. Like, I had to tweak the alignment on the type a little bit, but that's really about all I had to do to this one. Cleaned and lubricated the carriage rails, and still got little bit of noise in the carriage rails, but not much at all. I mean, compared to a lot of them, this one might as well be silent, right? Which actually, the silent return spring is still working in this one, and that's if you've ever tried to change the silent return spring on a Torpedo, then I tip my hat to you, because that's a tricky repair, which I didn't have to do on this one. I had the rubber replaced on this, my JJ Short. They did an excellent job. Very well done. Nicely ground. It's not too soft, not too hard. Original feed rollers are in good condition. Didn't change those out. Got a little bit of striping in there. There's no flat spots. That's the fucking alcohol that I used to clean those off is still sitting on there. They're quite clean. Very spongy, very grippy. This thing grabs paper like a bulldog. And just to show that off, Torpedo 18, serial number 1089011. We're going to do a little type test for you, because, man, what an amazing typer. So, here we are on the black setting. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. You might notice that's a little faster than I normally type that phrase, because, hey, I'm a shitty typist. But, man, the Torpedo can keep up. So we're going to go to the red setting here, and now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. I think I missed something. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Ridiculously clean type. I mean, this thing prints like a dream. Prints like it's freaking brand new, which it oughta. It's got a brand new Platen and a brand new ribbon on it. I mean, so there's no reason for it not to. Full American keyboard. You get your number one with your exclamation point. That's kind of a big deal to some people. I don't really care that much anymore, but that's a lie. I totally care. That's half of why I was so excited to get this machine. Anyway, Torpedo 18, man. Everything works. It's okay to be jealous. Because look at that paint job. Little bit of crazing in the top. Not much. And what is there, I love. I really do. It's so enchanting. Anyway, 1959, Torpedo 18. Ooh.